Oh, sorry. I apologize that my camera, my iPad just cut off because I didn't have enough storage, but I'm gonna have to fix that. But anyway, I continued for my birthday. It was Lane Bryant. I didn't know they gave away $20. So I was able to get this sweater, long sleeve, and it's very soft and it's gray and like a dark bluish gray long sleeve. I got that. And then I got these three footies here, and they were $7.95 a piece. So I was able to get those free. So I'll probably end up giving my sister a couple. Oh, and then I also was able to get these earrings from Walmart. They were on clearance for $3.50, and I had wanted a pair of hoops. I mean, they're kind of cheap, but I'll wear them for a little while and something fun. But $3.50, and they were $5.92. And then also I went to IKEA, and I went to a showing, and they were doing an organization type thing, and they gave us free cubes to go in our drawers, and I got like 5 of those. Let me move on before this camera gives out again. I went to Five Below. I was looking for like a sports bra, something soft, not a lot of support to wear up under my t-shirts when I'm home. So give the girls some support. So this was only $5, and it feels pretty good. So we'll see how that goes. Also, let me move on. Like I said, Sonia B on it talks about, oh, and these were the cubes, if y'all are interested in getting some of them. This was the setup that they gave us. Very nice design, Manika Mulder Scub, and they're really cute. So I think I'm gonna use this in my husband's, and that zips, that little opening zips up. I think I'm gonna use it to organize his socks and whatnot, so that would be good. All right, also Kohls gave me $20 just for being a value customer. Like I always say, Sonia B on it. I got that information from Sonia B on it, so I started getting those that free money from Kohls. So I had to use it before midnight on a particular date. So I was able to get this $5 Jolie New York lip gloss and nail polish, and it's a duo. And I was able to get this very soft shawl with the little fringe, and this color is so beautiful. You can wear it with any color, and I figured here in the area I live, in Virginia area, it gets cold hot, so I can put it on my shoulders and take it off. So, oh, for Kohls, this is what all that cost me. It was free, $20, and the other items as well, it was free. Let me see if I can get the receipt. Let's see, for Lane Bryant. Yep. Let me see. Okay. No information on it. 0. I saved $37.93. All of that was 0. 50% off, $20 birthday reward. So you guys don't sleep on this free money. They are giving you money to shop. Why not? I got all of this stuff, either free or on the pennies. So, and also I got this free from IKEA. I think they gave me a $10 free gift certificate, and I was able to get my crate, and I have to put that together some kind of way. So anyway, thanks for shopping with me, you guys, and I promise I will make more videos, and I appreciate everything, all your support. Subscribe and like so that I can also put out more videos like other people. Someone said, Stephanie, well, they didn't call my name. They just said, you don't have, a lot of you guys out there don't have the content, so people are not really interested. But give me some ideas, and I'll try my best to do it if it's within my budget. So, and I also like to share with you guys. I like to tell you where I'm able to shop at and get free items, just like Sonia B on it. Sonia told all of us about, hey, don't sleep on these stores. And I'm just waiting for JCPenney to send me some more free money so I can go there too. So anyway, you guys, take care and love one another and just show love. That's what it's about out here. We have to show each other love and patience. So I will come back to you again, and it's me, Stephanie, and I'll bring some more videos soon. Take care and God bless. Bye.